Well, alright, man, this one just came into the yard, I think this week. 79 Camaro. Pretty plain Jane. Trying to calm down here, man, because I just got into a verbal altercation with one of the, I guess, employees here, saying that I was, I needed to leave because I was ransacking through the cars. I had no idea what I was doing, man. Today and yesterday out there pulling that damn windshield. Just because he saw me looking through one car. Yep. Anyways. This car is really, really straight, man. Outside of this issue here. I got a little dent there too. Sorry, it is where it is, but not much I can do about it. As you can tell, been sitting for a while. Straight doors, no hail damage. I think he also saw me yesterday looking at this car. I think he was sitting on top of that, one of them front end loaders. You know, I just give off that bad vibe, I guess. Anyways, enough about that, unless he comes around the corner. Oh, that door's got a ding on it. He said I was tearing up the cars, man. Ransacking, tearing up cars. The last person that'll tear up a car, man. Damn, on this side, oh, it's this way, duh. Yeah, I don't know these. Oh, what's that? Dallas BMC parking permit. Yeah, been sitting for a while. I'm telling you, man, it's hard to get that shit out of my head because that dude, I started to be, you know, cool about it, but damn, he pissed me off, boy. Oh, man. But he's done it before. I've just been cool about it. This time I kind of just lost my cool. After I grabbed the windshield, after I told him I was pulling the windshield, we need to get your windshield and go. Anyways, man. Anyways, sorry, no more. We'll let that go. Yeah, but inside, as you can see, no seats. One of the door panels missing. Headliners trying to come off. Man, this looks like a solid roof, though. Yeah. Underneath, though, I can see that rust. Yes, I can. I don't know about you. I thought I saw something. I can't see much more. It's sitting so low to the ground. Alright. How's this door? Yeah, this door's solid, man. Heck yeah. Take a look under the hood real quick. Yeah, shit's gonna fall out. That windshield looks like it's not cracked. I think all the glass is good on this car. Yeah. It's got a little dent there, but otherwise looks pretty straight. Yeah. Got like a good thumbnail right there. I'd say so. Yep. Like I said, man, it's a solid looking car. I wish I could get close to that VIN. I don't know if I'll be able to. Let's see. See, I can see it because I got a. Can y'all see it? It's about as good as I'm gonna be able to get it. Too close to this door here. Let's take a look underneath the hood if I can get it open. There it is. Those hinges are nice and tight. Missing a head, intake. There's the things like she had headers, but as it's saying here, can you see that? 5, is that 5.0? Yeah, 5.0 liter, 305. Right there it says 1970. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. 79, that's what it says. Sitting for a while. Good minute, good minute. I'm gonna leave it up. It took me somewhat to get it open. I don't know if you can. I think it's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. I hear him over there. It might be him bitching. All right, man. We're gonna do it with this one here. You're gonna see my shadow in the way. Yeah, cool car, man. I think, you know, could at least been saved. I mean, I don't know, maybe what the deal was with it. Maybe no title or whatnot. Drag car, maybe. All right, man. On to the next one.